Good afternoon, everybody. Isaac here with Reeled In Outdoors. Welcome back to another episode. If y'all are new here, I'm fishing guide out of here in West Michigan, and I create fishing content. But who's joining me today is my girlfriend's brother, also good buddy, Mike.
How's it going?
And obviously we got fishing, my good buddy Cody, also known as Fishing with Cody. And we're doing a little bit of plugging, bottom bouncing, and a little bit of float fishing for hopefully get some steelhead and some trout. But anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the video. First fish, guys. Oh, I just missed it. There was one right there. Yeah, literally right where you were just casting. Try to catch it right underneath. Perfect cast. Perfect. Reel up slack a little bit. You don't want it to go past. Perfect. Yep, keep it tight like that. Perfect. Perfect flow. Right there, set it. Oh, you had him. You had him. Yes, sir. Perfect drift, and then right there it's a little shed. Yep, yeah, you're perfect. Gold. Line a little bit tighter. Perfect. Ooh, right there. Yep, oh, yeah, you got him. Go. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Oh, that's a small trout, but hey. Hey, that's your what? First trout, dude?
Tiny little guy, but that's all right.
Hey, heck yeah, dude. Awesome. I just started the camera. Mike just had a trout on, but popped off. Nice. Trout are nice and feisty today. Right there.
That's better.
Yeah, it's much better. Much better.
Nice one.
Ah, sir. Nice rainbow. Are you casting in the same area?
Yeah.
How deep are you? About the same, actually. Yeah, rock it a little closer if you can.
What a bastard.
Nice, dude.
Yes, sir.
Got one?
No.
Oh, got it?
Perfect cast.
Perfect. Got a good drift. Good drift. Right there! Oh, he was right there, boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy.
You got a camera going too?
Yep. Much better than the one earlier. A little bigger. Thanks, sir. Little brownie. Yes, sir. Heard it. Ice built up like crazy. Right there. Fish on. Fish on. Eat another brownie.
Alright, let me get one, dude.
Oh!
Nice.
Way down there. Oh, I popped off. You know what's funny? Because I had it hit on too. Oh, right there. That's a good one. Wow.
That's a good one, dude.
Oh, brown trout really put on some fight.
Casting out.
Yes, sir.
Oh, down. Fuck.
Oh.
Oh, brown.
Oh, that was a hit. There was a hit there.
Are you clean? There you go.
You're hungry today. Nice brown. That was on a freaking countdown. Look at that, boys. Ah!
There's a little hole back in there.
We got another one, boys. Found out where they're at. Might as well keep that camera rolling. We'll do one more cast in there.
Right.
This is not a bad looking one.
No.
Brown. Check her out. Coming up to you. Alrighty, we're on the ice now. Anchor winch was like completely like dead, so it was definitely hard to drop the anchor and then pick it back up because she definitely was just not working. But anyway, so we decided to come out here on the ice and
We did get on some rainbows and some browns.
yeah, we did get on some rainbows and some browns. At least we did catch some fish. It was cold for sure, but we're marking some fish at the first hole. Definitely something there. Can't really see anything, but hopefully get on something really soon. Cody's on. Got a crappie. That's a crappie.
Copper?
You have a crappie? Heck yeah, dude. Good job, brother. Good deal.
A little small one though.
Yeah. Nice.
Another cropper.
Another crappie. Good deal, dude. Oh my gosh, they're just barely lipping it. Nice. Another crappie. Good deal. Oh my goodness, that felt good too. Pulled it right out of its mouth. My goodness. That felt good, dude. These are definitely big fish. They're being smart about it. Finally. Ooh, that's good. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, finally. Look at the size of that crappie. Nice. That's a nice crappie, guys. Check that out.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Check that out. Big ones, do. I don't want them. Anyone want them?
No.
You want them?
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah. Put it right over there. Still got some big. Drop it. Good to know there's some big ones down there. I've been missing them. I had to switch to something a little bit smaller. Back up there. Oh my goodness, that was my fault. 100%. Come back though. Another one. Another one's coming. Come on. Oh, dude. This fish. This fish. This fish. Got him. Light biters. Little light biters. Got him. Oh, smallie. Small crappie. Good. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's good. That's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one, dude. Holy cow, come on. Look at that. What do you think? Yeah, dude. That's the nice one. That's the nice one. Huh?
I'll donate you. Oh, that two of them.
Oh, got him. Oh, dude, that's a nice one. Dude, that's a nice one. That is a nice one.
Dude, what the fuck is that? Holy shit, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Slab, bro.
Slab Central over here, dog.
Good lord.
Still the same bait. Cody's on. Heck yeah, dude.
I've caught that one before.
Huh?
I've caught this one before today.
Literally?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Oh, man, dude. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Oh, I had him. Had him. Got him. Huh? Got him. Got him. Can't even see it very good, but just caught a catfish. What? Mike finally got one. Heck yeah, dude.
Yes,
Nice. Good.
Dude, I think
This one's good. This one's good. Check that out. Biggest one today, boys. Alrighty, y'all. That wraps it up for today's video. My camera was starting to die. Started videotaping every so often and then dying. But anyway, the bite was slow. Started slowing down. We managed to get on a few decent crappie. Mike ended up leaving with some decent crappie. I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I wish we would have did a little bit more river fishing today. But, you know, it is what it is. I needed to charge my batteries. Definitely 100% next time. Yeah, that wraps it up for today's video. Like I said, I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Really would appreciate it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Reeled In Outdoors. Tight lines. We'll see you in the next video.